What if I told you that every single time you or your friends buy something on Jumia, you can actually get paid a commission for it? No, you don't need to open an expensive warehouse, and you don't need a physical shop. If you are looking for a reliable side hustle or a smart way to make money online using just your smartphone, then you need to know about Jumia JForce. In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know. What it is, how it works, how direct and indirect commissions work, and exactly when Jumia pays out your money. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll show you how to maximize your earnings. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is Jumia JForce? 1. JForce is Jumia's independent sales consultant program. 2. It is designed as a profit-sharing network where you act as an intermediary or a brand ambassador. 3. You help other people shop on Jumia, or you place orders for yourself and you earn a cash commission for every successful transaction. Think of it as being a personal shopper for your friends, family, or social media audience, but backed by Africa's biggest e-commerce giant. Jumia handles all the heavy lifting: storage, packaging, and logistics, while you focus entirely on connecting buyers to products and collecting your commission. How does it actually work day to day? 1. You share product recommendations, links, or deals with people around you. 2. When they want to buy phones, electronics, home appliances, or fashion items, you help them place the order through your JForce portal or link. 3. Once the item is delivered and successfully passes the return window, becoming delivered final, your commission drops straight into your dashboard. Now, how do you sign up? It is 100% free. Go to the description of this video to access the official Jumia JForce registration link. Click on Join the JForce and fill out your basic personal details. Once your account is activated, you will get access to your personal dashboard where you can start tracking products, generating links, and monitoring your earnings. This is where things get really interesting. JForce rewards you not just for your personal sales, but also for building a team. Let's break down the two types of commission. Direct commission. This is what you earn directly from the products you or your customers buy through your link. The percentage varies depending on your agent level: bronze, silver, gold, etc., and the product category. High demand electronics, phones, and major appliances usually yield great margins. Indirect commission. This is team-building income. When you recruit and bring other agents onto your JForce team, you earn an indirect commission percentage from the sales your downline team members make, provided your team hits the minimum team sales targets. It's a brilliant way to scale up your passive income. Everyone wants to know, when do I get paid? Jumia operates a very structured payout timeline divided into 2 cycles. First payout window covers orders from the 1st to the 15th, paid out shortly after, typically between the 16th and 18th. Second payout window covers orders from the 16th to the end of the month, paid out at the start of the following month, typically between the 1st and 3rd. Keep in mind that commissions only clear for payment after an item reaches delivered final status, meaning it has been successfully delivered and has cleared the return period safely. Once approved, the money is sent directly to your verified bank account. Jumia JForce is one of the most straightforward ways to build an online income stream without spending money on capital or inventory. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions about getting started. Check the link in the description box below to sign up and start your JForce journey today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.